Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your ESG investing records with Betterment, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Betterment account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your investment records. Locate the tax documents or statements section in your account. Click on this section to access your investment records related to ESG investing. Identify the relevant documents that you wish to back up. These may include tax documents, transaction history, and performance reports. Select the specific documents one by one or use a bulk selection option if available. Choose the download option, often shown as a button or link. Select the preferred format for your files, such as PDF or CSV. Confirm your selection and proceed with the download. Once the download is complete, locate the files in your device's designated download folder. Create a specific folder on your device or cloud storage labeled ESG Investing Records. Move the downloaded files into this newly. Consider backing up these records to a cloud storage service for added safety. Upload the files from your device to the chosen cloud storage platform. This ensures that your records are accessible from any device if needed later on. Regularly review and update this folder with new records as you continue your ESG investing journey. By maintaining this organized backup, you will stay well prepared for tax season and future investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.